guys, it's Hardy West, and today in this awesome day, of course, I will be... I'm so sorry. I will be doing a review about something, and the review, wow, that's a silly. The review is about Toy World. Yes, some of your favorite thingies. Sorry, I keep on moving. It's just my brother. He keeps annoying me. I have to restart all over again. From Toy World. Some of you guys know this, and let's open it up and see what's inside. So, we have Snickers, Scratch, and Sniff stickers. Well, that's cool. And it says there are 2 sheets right there. Okay, so that's one from Toy World. And this is number 2. Oh, it says you don't need a big pen to write a toy story, just a pen. I don't even get that rhyme, but, oh look, here's the receipt from Toy World. But we don't need the receipt. I'm just gonna plop it in the bag, and yeah, let's test it out. So, here we have the Snickers. We're going to open that first because we got it first. Now, it says there are 2 sheets. Oh my gosh, I can smell it already. Ooh. Ooh. So, this one right here has the most smell out of it. Yeah, it has the most smell of it. I can smell mostly around here because of the brains. And these 2 are the same, if you ever forget them. But I'm not going to waste it right now, but it smells yummy. I can already smell it. Yeah, I can. You don't need to scratch it. You just need to scratch it like 2,000 times. Okay, so let's open this, put it inside the bag. Now, we have this. Smetalitic gel? Smen? Yes, Smens. Oh my gosh. On YouTube, there should have been thingy. Now you see these lines right there? I can mostly smell it over here, but not over here. So let's put it back. And we're done with our toy review. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys all later. And that was my first toy review, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!